Me again. Today I'm going to be telling you my dog's daily care. They normally get Purina Pedigree dog food, which I'm going to show you the two shapes and colors there are in their dog food. There is a light brown triangle. There is a dark brown square. And then they also get water and milk and some treats. So I hope you enjoy this video. Bye! Oh. I hope you enjoy this video. Bye! Oh. P.S. My dogs, you have to take your dogs to the vet either once or twice a year. Thanks. Well, here's a little fun. Alyssa's fun time. Alyssa's fun time. Alyssa's fun time. Alyssa's fun time. Today is my guinea pigs playing. Thank you for watching Alyssa's fun time and Alyssa's dog's daily care. Bye.